हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज और ये हम करेंगे विद ताबीर अकेडमी। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सम ऑफ वेरियस सीरीज। So firstly, the sum of the first n natural series is given by n into n plus 1 over 2. Next, the sum of squares is calculated using n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. Then the sum of cubes formula is unique because it's just the square of the sum of the first n numbers formula. This leads us to the general formula for the series n, where simply हम compute कर सकते हैं the total sum by breaking it down into components where each term is like summation n raised to power 3, summation n raised to power 2, and each term is calculated separately and then multiplied by its coefficient, as you can see a plus b plus c, and lastly we have the term dn. Then we have the relationships between means of series, where A is the arithmetic mean, G is the geometric mean, and H is the harmonic mean. So, arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to the geometric mean, which in turn is greater than or equal to the harmonic mean. And the product of the arithmetic mean and harmonic means equals the square of the geometric mean. Finally, ये बात important है नोट करनी कि A, G and H are all in geometric progression.